How to fix error performing query on Facebook. So if you want to fix error performing query on Facebook, then first of all, you need to open up your Facebook application and then go with your profile, which will be on the bottom, and then just go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be in the top left, and go with logout. And then again, re-log into your account. If your issue is still not fixed, then you can go back to your home screen and open up your Play Store. After that, you can go with search, and under search, you need to search for Facebook. And make sure to update the latest version. If you have any updates available, you need to just simply tap on update and update it. Now go back to your home screen and open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, tap on apps, and then go with manage apps. Now here you need to search for Facebook and then tap on Facebook. Once you tap on Facebook, you'll get this kind of interface. Go with clear data, which will be on the bottom, and clear the cache. After clearing your cache, if your issue still persists, then open up your Facebook and then tap on the 3 horizontal lines, which will be in the top left. Scroll down, go with help and support, go with report a problem, and then tap on continue to report a problem. Just wait for a few seconds and then go with include. And here you need to go and select query or any option that you are comfortable with, and then you need to describe the issue and report the problem to Facebook. That's how you can fix your error performing query on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.